All right, I drew this picture of the frowny face and the smiley face. On this side, the frowny faces are athletes with back pain. Smiley faces are athletes without back pain. So on the left picture, you can see how the angle of the pelvis and the ribs comes together in the back, and that causes pressure into the low back. On the right, the smiley face, the ribs and the pelvis are stacked, which allows us to rotate more efficiently. So to show you that, I brought this twist top. So I've got a rotation athlete wants to stack these two pieces so they can freely rotate. So that'd be the smiley face. On the frowny face, it would be these two pieces are not aligned, and so the rotation happens more around the lower back, which causes pain. So how do we go from the normal, the frowning face, to the smiley face? I'll link some videos. The common cause of this would be lifting too much weight in this pattern, which I call the power lifter pattern, versus lifting in more of a stacked pattern. The other way is if you're a worker, like a golfer that's a recreational golfer, and you sit too much, the hip flexors get tight, pull the pelvis forward, so when you go stand up, you get into this pattern. Follow me for more advice on how to correct this, and I'll link some videos again to help correct it as well. Here are 3 simple exercises to help correct the rib cage out, pelvis forward pattern that causes lower back pain in most of our athletes. The first one is called child's pose back breathing. I'm going to sit on my heels, elbows to knees, round my back, and take 4 to 5 deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth. When I breathe in, I'm expanding my mid to upper back, trying to get it to loosen up. I'm going to follow that drill with a low bear plank with a rounded back. So here I'm going to tuck my bottom around my back, take my knees up slightly, keep rounding, and breathe. Again, 4 to 5 deep breaths in through the nose, out through the mouth, trying to maintain compression in the front of my rib cage. Both of those you're going to do about 3 to 5 sets. One more drill would be a very good stretch for us is a squatting bar reach. So from here, I'm going to step away from a post with a bar around the post, maybe a doorway. I'm going to squat as low as I can, and I'm going to lean back, feeling my thighs compress my ribs. Take about 4 or 5 deep breaths, feeling the weight on your heels. On the last breath out, you're going to push through your heels, stand up, keep your back rounded. Try these 3 drills out and see if it helps you with your pain.